Hi guys, welcome to Butte Mountain Homestead. Yes, I'm filming in the dark because Jean just came in and said, you've got to go see this. So I'm going to do a backstory first before I come out here. But you know, the young hens have been in the small coop while the big hens have had the rest of the coop and they've had free range. Well, a couple days ago, I noticed the netting on the small coop on the top had kind of came half loose during one of the windstorms. And I couldn't get in there to repair it because it's the back corner. So I've just been kind of flopping it over, kind of hoping that it contains them. Well, he said he went in there and he usually does a count of 4. And then there's 4 reds and then there's one lone red one over by herself usually. And when he went in to count them, he only counted 2 black ones and he thought, oh no, what happened? So I'm going to kind of do this carefully and hopefully not freak anybody out. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, it's not going to focus. Darn it. But there's a black one up on top. And then there's, oh, I'm going to open the door. Hopefully I don't freak everybody out by doing this. So there's one of the black ones with the red girl. They're snuggling. And then this black one's trying to figure out how to get in there. So I'm just going to leave it. So tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in. I'm going to come out so they don't get disturbed. I'm just going to kind of let them do their thing. And I don't want any of them to get hurt either. So, okay. Oop, 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 oop. Sorry. And I'll show you tomorrow when I do this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to take that netting all the way off. And then I'm going to open the doors to the little coop. Sorry that with the flash on, it's wanting to focus on everything kind of weird. Sorry. I'm going to just open the doors to the little coop. And just kind of let them do what they're going to do. So hopefully that works out. So far it looks like it's doing okay. I was going to do this anyways. I think I talked about it in either the garlic video or, yeah, it had been the video that came out today. Today's Tuesday. So anyways, that's kind of exciting. So we will check back in the morning and kind of go from there. Oh, I see the one that was snuggling with the red hen, she's standing up. So yeah, I was starting to disturb things. So that's why I shut the door. So I'm not going to turn their light on. Usually I have their light on until about 9. Yeah, I'm going to walk away. I'm freaking them out. So, okay. Anyways, I will come back in the morning and we'll see. Hopefully things go a little bit smoother in the morning. But here's a look at things at nighttime. We always have the porch lit up at nighttime. And our little landscape lights. The greenhouse lights. And I think I've shown the goat lights before. Oh, you know what? I have in the goat videos, but you guys haven't seen any of those because I want to do one big video when it's all done. Oh, I don't want to walk over there and disturb them. I'll do it real quick. Hold on. But that's the west wall. And then the east wall looks just like it, so. But right now the solar panels aren't getting enough light to, oh, these are lit up. Sorry, I'm taking advantage. But yeah, here's the, let me see if I can turn the flash off, see if what it'll do. So hopefully it doesn't go weird. You know what, I'm going to pause it and then I'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah, now you get the feel. And then, oh, and that blue light is actually like a mosquito deterrent light. It's not that blue in real life, but yeah. And then that's the, see if I can come over here without breaking my neck. Oh, spotlights, motion lights. And then that one too. So, and this will eventually all be lit up. So, and there's that one. And then the ceiling light in there. Oh, and the goats are fighting. Hey, hold on. Stop it. Jean just fed them, so They're freaking out. Okay, guys, I will see you in the morning and see what happens with the chickens. Bye. Okay, I'm coming out to see what girls are out. Oh, good morning, little girl. Good morning. Good morning. What do you think? Good morning. Where is everybody else? Okay, let's go see. Let's go let sisters out, huh? Good morning. Let's go let everybody out and get some breakfast going, huh? I know. Pretty girl. Oh, that's exciting. Okay. Oh, hi, sister. Oh, just don't go over the fence. No, don't go over the fence. Okay. Let's let everybody out. Yep, let's let everybody out. Good morning, you. Okay. Okay, I'm going to pause and open the door here. Okay, I've just opened this bottom door here. I'm going to take the feeders off. Oh, this thing needs to be done this weekend, that's for sure. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. Come on, sisters. Come on. Oh. Hold on. Okay. Good morning. Okay, the door's open. I want to see if they come out. Come on, sisters. Come on. And I made the mistake of going into the chicken coop with my slippers on. We'll just leave it at that. We'll just leave it at that. Oh, goodness sakes. Oh. There we go. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, hey. Hey. That's what I was afraid of. That's what I was afraid of. Well, they're going to have to figure that out. That's the part. It's better if I'm not here, probably. Because I want to protect them. But they're going to have to figure it out, so. Okay, I'm going to go and let them kind of do it. The door's open, so. Yeah, don't be a meanie. I see you. I see you. Okay, I'm going to let them do their thing. You're okay. You're okay. You are so pretty. Oh my gosh, you are so pretty. Oh goodness.